like magic, be like fire.
Every second counts in an emergency, and the right gear can make all the difference. These tactical gadgets are compact, powerful, and built for survival. Whether you're stuck on the road or facing the unexpected, here are the must-have tools to keep in your vehicle emergency kit. All the mentioned product links are in the description. Get comfortable, because here we go. Number 15. KitBrix Bag. The first thing you need when packing serious gear is a bag that's as tough and organized as you are. Built with a waterproof base and rugged materials, it keeps your kit dry, clean, and ready. Its modular design zips multiple bags together or turns two into a backpack. Inside, clear and zippered pockets store essentials like documents, tools, or small items, while mesh panels hold quick-access gear. With 20 liters of space, it fits everything from boots to clothes. Reinforced handles, padded straps, and wipe-clean lining make it ideal for anyone who needs reliable, no-nonsense storage on the move. Number 14. Tactical Folding Knife. One of the smartest tools to stash in your vehicle emergency kit, this rugged multi-tool packs serious utility in a compact frame. You get a sharp folding blade, pliers, can and bottle openers, plus a 9-in-1 screwdriver kit. Everything you need for roadside fixes, survival, or quick repairs. Built with tough stainless steel and coated in black oxidation, it's made to handle rough use. The reinforced handle and locking blade give extra safety. Toss it in your glove box or gear bag. It comes with a nylon pouch and is always ready when you need it most. Number 13. Tire Deflator Gauge. A must-have tool for your vehicle emergency kit, this heavy-duty digital tire inflator is built for fast, accurate pressure checks and inflation. It reads from 3 to 250 psi with 1% accuracy, helping you drive safer and boost fuel efficiency. The all-in-one setup includes a locking chuck, hose, bleed valve, and digital gauge, perfect for cars, trucks, bikes, and trailers. Made with stainless steel and brass for durability, it works with both 1/4 inch and 1/2 inch air compressor outputs. It even powers on automatically when air is detected, then shuts off to save battery after 20 seconds. Number 12. Tire Repair Plug Kit. A compact and rugged tire repair kit that fits perfectly in your truck, ATV, UTV, motorcycle, or overlanding gear. Packed in a durable MOLLE pouch, it includes everything needed to handle tubeless tire punctures on the go. Built with tough materials and ergonomic handles, it's ready for quick, reliable fixes, on or off-road. Designed for serious riders and outdoor explorers, it ensures you're never stuck due to a flat. A solid addition to any vehicle emergency kit, perfect for keeping your journey rolling without delays. Number 11. Headlamp. Stay prepared with a powerful 1080 lumen LED headlamp that lights up to 1,000 feet ahead. It features 2 beam modes, a wide floodlight and a focused spotlight for full coverage or precision lighting. Built to handle tough weather with a rugged, water-resistant body, it's perfect for camping, repairs, or emergencies. The lightweight adjustable strap ensures all-day comfort, while USB-C charging gives you up to 10 hours of use. With 4 lighting modes and a 90-degree rotating mount, it's a reliable hands-free lighting solution for any vehicle emergency kit or outdoor mission. Number 10. Escape Tool. A must-have for any emergency kit, this dual-purpose escape tool features a spring-loaded window punch for fast exits when space is tight and a hardened carbon steel head to shatter tempered glass. A built-in razor-sharp seatbelt cutter quickly frees trapped passengers. Compact and lightweight, it fits easily in your glove box or door pocket. The ergonomic non-slip grip offers secure handling, even in high-stress moments. Designed for real-world emergencies like rollovers or sinking vehicles, it's a rugged, life-saving tool that belongs in every vehicle for added peace of mind on the road. Number 9. Collapsible water container, ideal for outdoor and emergency use. This collapsible water storage solution is lightweight, durable, and easy to pack. Built from tough, abrasion-resistant TPU, it handles hot or frozen liquids and doubles as an ice pack. A 42mm wide opening allows for quick filling, while the weather-resistant handle and reinforced lash points ensure easy pouring and secure carrying. Compatible with most 42mm water filters, it's a dependable way to stay hydrated in the field. Comes with a storage pouch and is backed by a lifetime warranty for long-term reliability in any rugged environment. Number 8. Hand crank power bank. Stay powered and informed during emergencies with a compact radio that doubles as a 2,000 mAh power bank for your phone or tablet. It runs on 3 power sources: hand crank, solar panel, and AAA batteries, so you're never out of options. Equipped with a bright 1-watt flashlight and a 4 LED reading light, it keeps your surroundings visible when the lights go out. Broadcasts for real-time weather alerts and updates. Built tough for both indoor and outdoor use, it's a smart addition to your emergency gear, covered by a limited lifetime warranty. Number 7. LED road flares. A set of 3 bright LED road flares designed for emergency situations, providing a visible warning for roadside safety. Each flare features a magnetic base, allowing for secure attachment to vehicles or other metal surfaces. The kit includes batteries, a screwdriver for easy maintenance, gloves for handling, and a convenient storage bag. Ideal for cars, trucks, boats, or any vehicle, these flares offer peace of mind and added visibility when you need it most. Number 6. Walther PPQ M2. A compact and reliable handgun designed for easy carry and quick access. Featuring a sleek design and ergonomic grip, it provides excellent accuracy and control. The lightweight construction and user-friendly features make it a great option for personal defense or tactical situations. Equipped with a smooth trigger and intuitive safety mechanisms, it ensures safety and reliability in high-pressure situations. Perfect for concealed carry or as part of a vehicle emergency kit, offering peace of mind when you need it most. Number 5. Gas Siphon Pump. A compact, portable fuel transfer pump that makes fluid transfers quick and easy. It operates on either 2 D-cell or 6 AA batteries, offering versatility for outdoor or emergency use. The 34-inch hose and adjustable flow control nozzle ensure efficient and precise fluid transfers, perfect for gasoline, diesel, kerosene, or non-potable water. Ideal for use with vehicles, generators, or lawnmowers, it's a reliable tool for both everyday and emergency situations. Its compact design makes it easy to carry and use, making it a great addition to any vehicle emergency kit. Number 4. Emergency food rations. A comprehensive survival food kit offering 132 servings of dehydrated and freeze-dried meals, ideal for emergency preparedness or camping. With a long shelf life of up to 25 years, it provides a convenient, ready-to-eat food solution during disasters or outdoor activities. The meals are lightweight, easy to store, and require minimal preparation, making them perfect for your vehicle or emergency supplies. A must-have for those who want reliable nutrition in times of need or while adventuring in the great outdoors. Number 3. Compact folding toilet. A portable, waterless, and odorless toilet, perfect for RVs, boats, vans, and off-grid living. With one-click flushing, it seals waste bags automatically and prevents unpleasant odors using advanced technology. It supports up to 350 pounds, making it sturdy and reliable. Compact, lightweight, and rechargeable, it's ideal for outdoor adventures, construction sites, or temporary setups. Each charge supports 70 to 100 uses, making it a convenient solution for minimal water environments. The kit includes bags, coagulants, and all necessary accessories for easy and hassle-free disposal. Perfect for maintaining privacy and comfort in any situation. Number 2. Emergency signal mirror. Compact and durable, this reflective survival mirror is made from tough acrylic, offering clear and reliable signals for outdoor emergencies. The built-in precision aiming system ensures effective long-distance signaling, even on cloudy days or at night with available light. Ideal for camping, hiking, or extreme sports, it can be used for distress signals or as an everyday mirror. The protective film prevents scratches, and the included plastic case keeps it safe for storage. A must-have tool for outdoor survival, helping you communicate in challenging environments. Number 1. Water bottle with built-in filter. With a 5-stage filtration system, this portable water bottle effectively removes contaminants like chlorine, heavy metals, and sediment. Its 0.01 micron filter ensures 99.99% purification, providing cleaner, safer water for outdoor adventures. Equipped with a built-in compass, it's perfect for camping and hiking. The filter can purify up to 1,500 liters of water, replacing thousands of plastic bottles. Easy to use, but requires more suction. Due to its advanced filtration system, it's an essential tool for survival, hiking, or emergency situations. So that's it for now. We hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please like, comment, and subscribe for more great content. Thanks for watching.